What's up, YouTubers? Here with a Renault card style key, and I'm going to show you how to access the battery and the Valet key, which is stored inside of this. You're just making sure that you're looking for this side with the little hole. This is the side that you're going to be pushing towards, okay? So just make sure to push towards this little hole as opposed to these two grooves on this side of the key. Okay, so what you want to do is you're going to go ahead and look for this bottom notch on this side right over here. What we're looking to do, it's very simple, is you're looking to apply pressure in this area and push forward as such, again, towards this little hole. The best way to do it, it is a little tricky. Find the easiest way to do it is to take your full palm and take this part of your palm and apply pressure here while pushing forward, not too hard. So I'm going to go ahead and try to show you that with my full palm as such. I'm going to line the key up like this so you can see it. And what I'm doing is with this hand, I'm applying pressure right over here and then sliding my hand forward. So let me go ahead and show you how to do that. Easiest way to do it is flat. You could hear the little notch right over there popped. You could see that the groove's separated. And then what you do is simply just lift off the cover as such. And here you will have the battery and the extra Valet key. Okay, and in order to put this back, you just apply the cover into that little groove and then slide it back down as such. You'll hear the click. You'll know that it's in. Last step to program the key, you need to just press any button 4 times while sitting in the car and your key card low message will disappear. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. See you on the next one.